Hi YouTube, this is my solar control unit that I built. I'll bring you closer. I think it might be better if I take the camera off the stand, but actually this might work. Got my control panel. This is my shunt controller. As you can see, I'll actually take you off and then try and do it this way. Might work. Here's my shunt controller. Sorry about the movement. There I'm at fully charged, 14.3 volts, 100%. Here's my Renogy inverter, that's on. This is my portable power technology premium 90 amp battery charger. As you can see, it's off. And here's my solar controller. I'm pulling in 67.8 volts, 2.6 amps. There you go. I'll go back down here. And what I might have to do, I don't know. I think there's some settings in here I might have to change. 13.4, and it goes up to 14.5, but then we'll drop back down to 13.2. And then on here, the full battery, it drops as well, because my batteries only hold, as you can see there, 14.2. It's going up 14.4, 14.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I do think, what's that? So I do think I need to change some settings in here. I could turn the light on and see what happens. There you go, the light's on. Pulling in 46.2. Oh, it goes straight up to 55.7. 6.3 amps. And I'm drawing 2.28 amps. This control panel, people, when you buy these control panels, this voltmeter's on all the time, and this light's on here is on all the time. So what I did is I cut this wiring out. There's 4 on there. And now what I can do is, if I want to see the voltage, which I don't really need to because I've got this control, the shunt, I can turn this on and it shows 14.4. The light's on. So if I want to charge anything, on here I've got a table, foldable table, so if I want to charge anything, I can lift that up. There's my little table there, so I can put things on there. If I can turn this off, these won't work because they're not connected. I can turn this one off, and I can turn this one on, and then under here is a light. See? There you go, and I can dim it right down. There you go, that dims it right down. Brightens it back up. You can just turn it back off, and when you're finished, fold the table down here, and when you're not using it you can just turn it off, so all this is off. And then if you want to, I might be buying another solar controller, I'm not sure yet. So that space there is where it will go. And then on the side I fitted a catch. So if I need to do any work inside, I can get access to it and the control panel. But yeah, as you can see, these wires are all connected to here, connected to this one, the USB, and then I believe that this cable is on the bottom, but I've actually swapped it around and put that in the middle, and this is alive, and that one goes to the fuse board. And then I've got a bus bar here where I can put all my negatives in, and that goes to the fuse board as well. So that's how I've done it. But yeah, it's all working well. And when you finish, you can just close it up. And close it. And I'm full charged. I'm running my 240 fridge and a 240 freezer at the minute on the inverter. I've got a 3000 watt inverter. That's all going pretty well. Oops. Okay then. Sorry about the shakiness and all that, but it's best I can do. But that's the control panel. Thank you for watching.